Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cooking with Nadeem. So today I'm gonna show you is very special thing. Everybody like this. Actually, this one is very famous in Malaysia. Is Malaysia traditional Roti Jala. It's really very good for everyone. It's really very easy to make at home. In lockdown in these days, you know this one nobody can go out and then cannot get food from there. So just at home you can make very quickly within some minutes, just only some ingredients. So I show you the ingredients. So friends, here I got all the ingredients which one I will use for the roti jala. So now I got the flour, all purpose flour. I will be used 500 gram all purpose flour. And then here I got the coconut milk. Coconut milk is Kara. You can use any kind of brand, but Kara is, I like this one. And then this one is 200 ml. I will be used in this recipe. Here I got some turmeric powder. I got 15 gram. Here I got the salt. I use the 10 gram salt. And then here I got 2 eggs. I will be put the 2 eggs inside. So let's start the process. How we do the process? So just guys, you just take the jug, the blender jug, and then beat the egg, broken the egg, and then just put inside. And then put the coconut milk. All the coconut milk is 200 ml. I will use this one. And then salt, turmeric powder, so now guys, I will put the flour inside. So guys, here for the mixer I will be use some water also. Just put water inside the jug and then just only blend it now. So guys, here you can see our mixture is ready. So this batter is very nice. You can see it's very thick and then like very all the things mix already properly. So now we have to make the roti jala. So now guys, I have one squeeze bottle, so I will be use the bottle for the roti jala. So now batter I will be put inside the bottle. It's really very nice. You can see the texture wise is very good. So now guys, we have to make the roti jala cooking. So now I already put the pan on the stove. So just use the oil, a bit of oil, just only grease it the pan just with the tissue paper, or you just only use the brush also can. Just only grease the pan a bit only. So after that use the bottle and then you just make the roti jala. It's really very easy to make at home. So friends, here my roti jala is ready. So you can eat with dal or other curries. So please, if you want to see my new videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time.